Hello everyone!
Ako si Gabriel.
And I'm Lester. And today,
Nagtatrabaho si Tito Lester sa City Hall.
yeah,
Ako, na-school na suspend. Tapos, ini nga balay kapukandaan.
tapos,
Katurugan nila Tito Lester, kwarto nila.
look at his eyes. Oh, napuling kasi siya. Like,
Nani?
look. So, sino sa aming maganda?
Ako mama, ato sa Tacloban.
So, ano naman yan natin narampangan?
Harampangan sa kay Nano may showers.
Ano?
Kina may shower ba?
Sewer?
Opo.
You mean sewage system?
Opo, shower.
Sewer nga.
Kay Nano dito ang shower, may mga luhot. Tapos, mabaho ang tubig.
Because all the waste from the bathrooms, from the hotels, from any establishment, stores, or whatsoever, is pumupunta lang sa sewers or sewage system. And doon, naiipon yung dumi, and kaya doon gumabaho. So, ang sewers pala is, in Tagalog is, anong sewers in Tagalog?
Dirak na lang.
It's canal.
Kanal. Kanal.
Yes. Ang tubig sa kanal is so dirty.
Tapos nagbabaha.
Yeah.
Ang tubig nagawas sa sewers, pwede itong lote pa sa salog. Tapos, pag umuran nga ni, magdako ang tubig sa kanal, maihingad to sa kuan, salog, magbaha.
Yes. That's why we have to protect our Mother Earth. Because it's the only planet that we have. If throwing garbages into the sewer system affects the blockage or affects the flow of our water. That's why nagkakaroon ng baha. Pero so much for that. The real problem of pagbaha, particularly in Luzon, is the flood control corruption. Right?
Projects. Flood control corruption projects.
Yeah. Have you heard it from the news? So what's your ideas about it?
Idea para may stop.
Like, what are your... Nani mo nakikita about sana?
Kuan sa daw. Adto nga mga kuan, dagko nga kuan la mga metal.
Naman.
Nagtukuan, nasisimi ba? Sa sana.
Nag-bend.
Opo, tapos ang tubig nakasulod.
Oh.
Tapos,
And then,
adlat nga dako nga barko. Balat nga doon, ginsusulod niya, laging kukuha na yung tubig nagsusok-sok balas. Ginbabalik liwat. Asyong nakitan. Sa kapuso mo, Jessica Soho.
di ka man nakita.
Sa TV ni Ratito Pax.
So, what are your stand about corruption in the Philippines?
Corruption sa Philippines.
Oo.
Ang stand? Nato yung stand.
Nanay mo stand ba?
Macdaw?
What are your nanay mo bagaan opinion nanay mo magiging may mo mayakan about sa corruption sa Pilipinas?
Ayaw niyo pag bot niyan kanal mga basura.
Tapos,
May magbaha.
Ayaw pag, ano?
Ayaw pagbot ngayon kanal mga basura.
So, asaya mayakan sa corruption sa Pilipinas. Ayaw ko ni pagbot ni basura ang kanal.
300 million yung subscribers.
Hello! So, nakikinig sila ngayon. Anong masasabi mo sa kanila?
Nagparot nagdawa kong sando. Tita Lister, naka-jacket.
Yes.
Tapos nagiling siya kung paano pagpaimos. 6-pack.
So, ano naman yung mga kuhan sa eskwelahan? Yung mga
Activities. Story.
story like,
Story sa daga. Story sa kwan. Nanananggal sa taga sa kwan. Yakan san yatot. Yatot. Yatot tapos kwan. Nanon Leon. Tapos damdamo pa ibang istorya. Nagmamadali. May karawan. Tapos, nagsusurat pero siya gala.
Kapwanay.
Hi!
Hi!
Ako si Gabriel, si Tito Lister. Ako na Pilero Fernandez ng Tito Lister, Vizcara.
Yes.
Tapos, Portiles, ako, Vizcara Fernandez.
Yes.
Tapos, mong gisusurat kung sa papel. May for Gabriel V. Fernandez, ako ang grade 1 na 1, Calbayog City Special Permit System sa Garan.
Yeah.
Tapos, si Tito Lister, wala na siya choice.
Okay.
Yun sa akon.
So, I don't have any question right now for the part 2 of our interview. So, on my hinawayan okay na. Like,
Ako na mag-question.
siya naman niya na ang mag-question sa akon. So, what are your questions, Gabriel?
Kay naman, mga gate, ini nga, loud sounds.
What?
Loud sounds on gate.
And gate?
Oo.
You mean the gate like ito na naka-block sa before sa door? Oh, yeah.
Metal!
Yeah, ito.
Opo.
Your question is, why is it that the gates are loud?
Opo.
What do you mean by loud?
Dagdag ang tingog.
So, they are created loud because they are made of metals. And
Wow.
metals create sounds like
Loud.
noises. And
And
since
metal.
we have a big gate, big gate. We have big gate. The metal that they have is
Still.
still and can create loud noises.
And the magnet can stick on it.
Yes. Next question, please.
Level 1. Level 2. Ay nanote ito. Ang lingkuran made of wood.
It is made of wood because, but not all lingkuran. Some are made of wood, but ours is made of wood. The wood came from the tree, and then they chop it, chop, and then you sew it, and then they created design, and the product is the lingkuran, the wooden lingkuran.
Level impossible.
What?
Level impossible.
Yeah.
Kailangan ito may ragagod sini.
This.
Po.
So, as you can see, this is our mic. This is the mic that we are using.
You can interview.
It has plug and play. It has 20 meters accessible reception. It has precise radio, clear timbre, highly sensitive, and widely compatible. So yeah, I use this to vlogging and interview and other stuff.
So, we have 3,000 million subscribers.
Hello, 3,000 million subscribers. 3,000 million. Ano ko na? It should be
1,000.
3,000 or 3 million. Not
3 million.
not 3,000 billion.
3 million.
Yeah. Hello, 3 million subscribers.
350 likes.
350,000 likes.
Siyan, part 3.
Tapos na? Tapos na?
Opo.
Oh, sige. Magbabay na.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Spinota. Hi guys! Ibalik ito, nabalik.
Open ko na lang.
Ayaw kayo, ma-eros.
Hi!
Bayad daw.
Part 3 interview.
Ito na, mabado.
Hi guys! Ako si Clifford Gabriel V. Fernandez. Si Mr. Mark P. Vizcara.
Yes.
Tapos, naka-jacket si Tito Lester. Aliman?
Where Brescia? Brescia, come here. Come here, baby.
Going to my little sister. Nothing. Nothing but the truth now.
Let's go to your
Proof.
kuya.
Here's my little sister. Not just nothing.
Hi, guys.
We have a little sister.
This is the baby that is so, oh my gosh.
So cute.
No, it's not cute anymore. Look. Eh, it's crying again.
Cry baby. A cry baby.
Oh, oh, diba? Ano daw?
Going back
Let's
inside.
go back. Sige, dida ka. Bye-bye. Now. So now what? Now what?
We have extra chairs on everywhere.
Yeah.
We have black chairs. Like this. Black chairs. My little sister is kind of busy though.
Bresh. Bresh. Oy. Sorry ka mukha masum.
We have a lot.
Now what? What's our kuan interview?
Interviewing of you. Tito Lester. May rakit sini.
Now.
Ditch.
Parang wala lang.
Hello.
Boss naman kid boss.
Porter yan na.
Magbabay na.
Bye-bye.
Bye, 3 million subscribers.
32 million.
32 million, I mean.
Bye-bye.